do believe I've caught a swarm. There are dozens of bees around, quickly showing up. I just got home from work. None of them are going inside though. They're just flying around it. Maybe they're all trying to find the entrance. Cool. I hope it works. So, there's a lot of bees flying around, but none of them seem to be going inside. It's very strange. They're all flying around. They're kind of going to the back of the box, which is weird. There's definitely not a hole back there. Only one entrance, so it's kind of weird that they're all flying back here, flying around the back of the box. But not going in. Maybe they're all starting to congregate? I don't know. But there's a lot more than just scout bees here. So, knock on wood, if this is a swarm that I've captured, this is my very first one! Hooray! Oh yeah, starting to pick up. This is awesome! Oh yeah, I'm also taking a time lapse. Should turn out pretty cool. Starting to gather on it. Oh, this is so cool. Oh my gosh. Wow. It's almost like they're fighting. I wish I could get closer to show you, but I'm kinda... Yeah, they're definitely fighting. I'm just watching them on there, it's like some are beating up others. They seem really, really agitated. Shaking their butts like crazy. I don't know if that means they've made it here. I'm guessing that's the bee dance. Interesting. Seems to have calmed down now. Not so many bees flying around, but there's more on the box than I've seen so far. Anyway. Alright, now it's starting to look better. I'm seeing a lot more action at the entrance. A lot of bees going in. It's almost like this corner here is like a staging area. I've seen a lot of dancing going on, and so I'm thinking they're like sending people back that make it there to say, hey, go tell everyone else it's right here. I think. Because now it's a crap ton more bees at the entrance. And they're starting to go all around me. So they're all starting to make it here. Yeah, baby! I'm so excited! My first bees ever. I haven't even gotten my package yet. I don't have any bees yet. So these are my first ones. Not bad for a noob. This was my first trap too. I have to go check the other one, see how that one does. Very nice. This is the tree where I have the trap. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see it. Can't really see the bees flying around. It's not as many as I expected. I think This might be a pretty small swarm, but there sure are a lot. So I did south facing like they all say, well, one guy recommended, and then pretty high up. And I'll include in the description below the box plans that I got. Super easy, super cheap. I mean, it's just some regular plywood. I think there's like 6 deep frames in there, and some screws, and I put a few pellets of beeswax sprinkled around. I kind of rubbed it on the sides, and then a Q-tip with lemongrass oil. That's it. Took me like an hour maybe to make, and hung it up in the tree. Let's see, when did I hang it up? Saturday? I don't remember. What's today? Today's Thursday. You know, I think it was like Monday. I don't really remember. It's been a couple of days. I don't feel like it's been too long. I saw a bunch of scouts yesterday. Yeah, they're really starting to come in now. They're flying around me now. I'm gonna have to get out of here.